Hello, fifth standard. Let us continue with our environment lesson number 5. Till our last video as my first video of lesson number 5, we discussed about how Gopal was shocked by seeing overflow of chanas, which he kept in water and which he soaked in water, I can say, right? And he just soaked 4 balls of chanas in one big bowl, but in morning that chanas were over to that bowl, right? So he felt very strange कि जब भिगोए थे तब तो वो ओवर नहीं थे, लेकिन अब ये ओवर कैसे हो गए. Okay, so related to that only, on page number 42 we have 3 questions. Okay, those 3 questions you have to write in notebook. So as you start your lesson number 5, just on the new page write lesson number 5, your lesson name. Okay, your lesson name you have to write, that is seeds and seeds. After you write this lesson name, then you have to put this heading, that is answer the following questions. Okay, and after you write answer the following questions, then you have to write Q1 strictly, no 1, no 2, no 3. You have to write with Q1. Okay, and then you have to write question which is on page number 42. Okay, that is what things are soaked before cooking in your house and why. See, घर में जब हम कोई पल्सेस, कौन सी पल्सेस हैं जो सोक करके आपके घर में बनाते हैं. वैसे तो आप अपने मॉम से पूछकर भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं कि वो कौन से पल्सेस को सोक करते हैं, बट आई कैन राइट फ्यू नेम्स ओवर हियर विच यू कैन गो थ्रू इट. ओके, ये सारे जो पल्सेस हैं इनको अगर आप सोक करके बनाओगे तो ये कुकिंग में इनको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. इजीली इट विल बी कुक्ड. अंडरस्टूड? I have written here first answer, that is chana, rajma, moong, soyabean, rice, pulses, etc. Okay, so काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो आप सोक करके बना सकते हो. After that you have to leave one line in your notebook and then you have to write Q2, and here I will write simply answer. Question 2 you have to copy from your textbook only. Now what is the question? That is, what things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time they took? See, आप यहाँ पे 3 क्वेश्चन है. What is the thing you eat by sprouting? Sprouted किया हुआ आप क्या खाते हो? We can write, for first we can write, that is we eat sprouted moong and chana. Okay, these things you can eat. This will be answer of your first one. We eat sprouted moong and chana. After that the question is how are they sprout. Okay, how are they sprout? That will be, you can write it, keep moong and chana soaked for some hours. So मूंग और चना को अगर हम पानी में सोक करके रखते हैं कुछ आवर्स तक, then these moong and chana can be sprouted. And your third question in this is how much time does it take? सो मूंग और चना जो है वो कितना टाइम लेते हैं? वी कैन राइट चना takes we can write 36 to 48 hours to sprout. Sorry, okay, we will write about moong also. Chana takes 36 to 48 hours and moong takes how many? We can write 24 to 36 hours. To what? To sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T, sprout. Understood? So these three, this is answer number 2 only. These 3 points are answer number 2 only. Got it everyone? So this question is your second question. See, first question answer we wrote in first. Second question is here, what things do you eat after sprouting? So total 3 questions are there in 2. You can write in front of these points 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So for second one it is these 3 points, because 3 questions are, so 3 answers will be there. Understood? Okay. And the last one, last question, after you complete writing question number 2, again you have to leave one line and then you have to write question number 3. Copy question number 3 from your textbook on your page number 42. Okay. And then we have to go with answer. Now what answer we have to write here? See, let us read question first. That is, has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat sprouts? Why? क्या कभी डॉक्टर ने या किसी ने आपको स्प्राउट्स खाने के लिए बोला है? तो क्यों बोला है? सी, स्प्राउट्स अगर हम खाएं, से लाइक चना, मूंग, राजमा वगैरह को अगर हम ज़्यादा टाइम सोक करके रखें, उनमें से वो वाइट कलर के हेयर निकलेंगे, इट विल बी वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. हमारे बॉडी को ये जो स्प्राउटेड ग्रेन्स होते हैं वो बहुत एनर्जी देते हैं. इट गिव्स वेरी मच एनर्जी. अगर आपने कभी नहीं खाए हैं तो ट्राई कीजिए. आपके मॉम को बोलिए कि आपको, आपके पेरेंट्स को, आपके whosoever cook in kitchen, आपके पेरेंट्स को बोलिए कि आपको स्प्राउटेड ग्रेन्स, आइदर मूंग और चना आपको खाने हैं. खाकर देखिए, बहुत अच्छे होते हैं टेस्ट में और बहुत ही न्यूट्रिशियस भी होते हैं. सो आंसर फॉर योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कैन बी, इट इज वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. Simply you can write this much. It is very, N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-U-S, nutritious, N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-U-S. Okay, it is very nutritious. So these are the 3 questions. Again I repeat, you have to write these questions in your notebook of EVS. I hope you people have completed your lesson number 4. Okay. Now, this was of page number 42. Let us see what is on page number 43. Actually, on page number 43, it is one activity जो आपको करनी है. Understood? I can write here on the top. I can write here, do it on own. ये एक्टिविटी आपको करनी है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं, आपको क्या करना है वो दिया गया है. देन यू हैव टू फिल दिस टेबल के हाउ व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व, आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हो वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट सी अबाउट दीज क्वेश्चंस ओरली. अंडरस्टूड? ओरली बोलिए, हम फिर इसको वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑल्सो. ओके. सी, ऑन योर पेज नंबर 43, लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस की अगर बात करूं, here if I talk about this, two questions. Okay, now in these two questions, first question is related to activity almost, because यहाँ पे लिखा है in which ball did the seed sprout, what difference did you see in between this ball and the other balls. तो यहाँ पर इस एक्टिविटी में आपको जो सीड्स सोक करने हैं वो 3 डिफरेंट बॉल्स में सोक करने हैं. सो उसके रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चन है आपका. अंडरस्टूड. एंड योर लास्ट दिस क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डिड गोपाल्स मदर टाई the chana in the dung plot. See, 3 questions you finished for page number 42. You can write number 4 on this last question. Why did Gopal's mother tie the chana in the dung plot? गोपाल के मॉम ने चनास को डंग क्लॉथ में क्यों टाई किया? ओके, सो आफ्टर यू फिनिश राइटिंग थर्ड क्वेश्चन, you have to write fourth question in your notebook. This one is the fourth question, and answer for the fourth question will be to make why did Gopal's mother tied the chana in the dung cloth so that chana get sprouted. Understood? That you have to write, so that chana get sprouted. I write here answer number 4. Better I will go here only. Okay. Answer number 4 can be so that chana gets sprouted. Okay. Now these 3 are of page number 42, and this answer number 4 is of page number 43. Last question. Understood everyone? Okay. So just go through this much, do this much, and we will continue with our remaining part of this EVS lesson till from our next video. Thank you.